morning, everyone. Jeremy from Trading Safely. Don't forget to check out our help video that's clipped to the top of this section. So euro dollar have been short since probably a good 10 days or so now. Nothing's changed again. Yesterday we were looking for a daily close basically over this 11240 to exit the trade. That didn't happen overnight. So really the downtrend's still in play. Looking ahead, we'd really like to see the euro start closing under daily closing support down here at 111450. For today's stop loss, it's really the same level. We don't want to see the market back over this 11242 area. That would be an initial stop. And certainly on a closing basis, we don't want to see the euro back above the 1.11 sort of 33 area. Looking at the structure of the trade, starting to show some signs of weakness while it remains under last week's midpoint, which is up there at 1120, so it's flirting with it as we speak. And just looking at the structure of the trade, if we come into a half day chart, here's the euro here. We just have a look at the trends across time. Okay, so as far as the uptrends go, we've got a 240 count at 5 and a 480 minute count at 2, and then on the downside, however, we've got a daily count. So we'd like to see that daily count step up to 2 and start dominating the trend. In terms of the pivots, let's just pull these out so you can get your numbers for the day. Here they are here. Here's our daily bullish and bearish. That's these ones here. So 112299 and 111762. So these levels act as support and resistance, and if they're taken out on a closing basis, you better start paying attention for a reversal of trend, and that happens at each time frame. So here's the weekly bullish and weekly bearish, which can act as support just as it did here last week, or as resistance as it did here the week before. But typically when you see a close under the bearish, the market can sort of drift off. So they're the levels for today. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see that we've had weekly resistance move to the top above price, and we've got a couple of sells in place. So the euro's got a little bit of work to do. Obviously, you can gap all the way down here to 108160 pretty quickly if it doesn't get a grip and take out that 1133 level on a monthly closing basis. Zooming into the short term, there's your key critical levels on a short-term basis. You've really got this major support down here, which is the daily closing support corresponding with the weekly bearish at 111455. Obviously, closing under that is really going to expose that monthly level down here at 110702. To the upside, as we keep mentioning, you've just got to watch this. It's the 112440 area, basically up here, around here. The euro's above that, then it can sort of have a crack at these levels up here, and like a monthly close above this zone here, and the euro can go higher. But for now, the weight is down still, so look for that stop above 11240 if you're short, and if you're long, you want to pay attention to moves back under here today. I hope that helps.